how to change your Threads password step by step. So in here, as you guys know, that Thread is actually connected with your Instagram account. So like whenever you try to change your whenever you try to change your Threads password, you ultimately would change the password of your Instagram account, right? So you can either go to your Instagram or from your Thread application, tap on your profile icon right here and then tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. Then from here, what you're gonna do is simply tap on account center right here, and then we'll get into the settings where you'll be able to see password and security. Tap on that one and then you'll be able to see change password. Tap on it and then select your exact profile. You can see this is the Thread account. Simply select that Thread account, and then from there you can see I haven't created my password yet because it is interconnected with Instagram. So if you have created your Thread password separately, then you will be able to like change your password from here. All you need to do is write in your current password and then write in your new password and rewrite it in order to confirm it. And just like that, you can save the changes, and like that you'll be able to change your Thread password.